Accurl CNC Machine Anhui Manufacturing Company Limited is mainly producing shearing machines, press brakes, bending machines, hydraulic presses. Our company is sited in Ma Anshan Bowon Equipment Industrial Park, which is located in the industry corridor along the Yangtze River Delta region. The company is dedicated to the research and development, production and sales of medium and high-tank plate processing machines, include shearing machines, bending machines, press brakes and hydraulic presses, which are widely used in aerospace, automobiles, military, electrical appliances, metalworks, coinage and various other fields, and have been exported to the countries and regions in Southeast Asia and Middle East. In the process of perfecting its modern corporate system, the company has attached importance to and given full play to the large-scale production, specialization in its development, standardization of management, network construction for its sales and distribution, full and complete product lines in R&D, independent IPR, quality of services and knowledge increase of the employees, and has gained advantages in science and technologies, quality and market share through state-of-the-art management, technical innovation, equipment upgrade and a sophisticated strategy on product lines, quality and rank. If you are interested in any of our products or would like to discuss a custom order, please feel free to contact us. We're looking forward to forming successful business relationships with new clients around the world in the near future.